Hey everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show here, and don't forget the Forensic Photography Symposium is slowly making its way here, January 17th to 20th, 2022. Now, recently I had a chance to interview George Reis, and George Reis is a forensic photographer, and he is also a forensic Photoshop expert. And he teaches Photoshop to forensic professionals, and he's going to be presenting at the symposium, which is going to be coming up. So you don't want to miss his talk. Now, here's what he had to say about what he's going to be presenting on. Right. And at the beginning, I actually talked about the photography symposium that I'm having, and I've actually asked you to speak on that. And I was wondering if you just tell us a little bit about what your topic is going to be on.
Well, so something that we discussed is this concept of that I call witness perspective photography or scene replication photography. And it's the concept of somebody describes something that they saw, and they maybe are 100 yards away, or maybe they're 10 feet away. Or maybe it's really pitch black at night and it's dark, or maybe there's glare, it's right at sunset and there's glare. And the question might be, what are those lighting conditions like? And could they really have discerned what they say they have? And of course, there's no way that I know what someone else sees. But what I can do is I can go back to a scene under the exact same circumstances and photograph what I see, so the jury can see what I saw under those circumstances, and then can determine then what the lighting was like, how bright things were, how small or how large things were. So scene replication or witness perspective photography.
Excellent. So if you want to see some excellent speakers like George Reis, make sure that you reserve the dates January 17th to 20th, 2022. Now look, if you are interested in speaking and you have something that you want to say, by all means, please fill out the abstract form. I'll put the link down below, but make sure you reserve the dates January 17th to 20th, 2022, and hope to see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.